Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are very good, taking care of yourself and your parents also. So, in our last class, we had completed our periodic term first grammar portion. And from today, we will start a new chapter from English main course book. So, let's move to that chapter. Chapter 3, Raju's Hero. Raju's Hero. Who is your favorite sport person? Who is your favorite sports person? Speak about him, her in class. Okay. When we will be in class, then we will speak about your favorite sport person. Till then, you all have to mention in the starting of your notebook, starting of this lesson in your notebook, that who is your favorite sport person. Okay. So let's move. How would you feel if you are denied something you really want or wanted to do? Here is a story of a child who cannot go to see a cricket match because of, well, let's see in this story. Raju was sitting in an armchair, feeling really upset. One of his legs was in plaster and it was on a stool in front of him. Falling off his bicycle and breaking his leg was not something he was proud of. The worst part was this happened just when his father, elder brother Rajan, and he had planned to go and watch the test match. His first live cricket match in the stadium with Sachin Tendulkar playing for India. It was a dream come true. The sports page in one of the national papers called him cricket wizard. Another paper called him a genius. This was the last day of the match and he was going to miss it because of his broken leg. I hate this, said Raju again. It's all right, said father. They'll be showing the match on TV. It will be a direct telecast. In fact, sitting at home, you will be able to watch the match better than watching it in an overcrowded stadium. Here, here, we can see Raju was sitting in an armchair and feeling really upset. Why he is upset? Because his one leg was broken when he fell off his bicycle, and his one leg was in plaster. It was on a stool in front of him. So why he is upset right now? He is upset because when his father, elder brother Rajan, and he had planned to go and watch the test match, his first live cricket match he was going to see, but he broke his leg. That's why they were not going to the stadium. So his father is saying that they will be showing the match on TV. They all together will see the cricket match on TV, and it will be a direct telecast. In fact, sitting at home you will be able to watch the match better than watching it in the overcrowded stadium. His father was saying this to Raju. Now let's move to the next page. Now here we are in the next page. But I still hate to be like this, said Raju. Raju was still upset. Rajan came in with some popcorn and chocolate cake. Here, have these, he said. Rajan, who was his brother, came with some popcorn and chocolate cake, and he said, here, have these. I bought them just for you. Rajan said, I bought these chocolate cake and some popcorns for you. You can eat while watching TV. It will cheer you up. I tell you what, added Rajan, looking at his younger brother. Here, Rajan said, I will tell you what. He was added Rajan, looking at his younger brother. Rajan looked at Raju and said that I tell you what, I'll try to get Sachin's autograph for you. He's saying that I will try to get Sachin's autograph for you, Raju. His very own name written on his very own handwriting. He's saying, I will try to get Sachin's autograph, his very own name written in his own handwriting, in Sachin's handwriting. So Raju was very happy. He waved goodbye to them and let his mother switch on the TV for him while he enjoyed the chocolate cake and popcorn. Raju was happy now after listening this. He waved goodbye to them, to his father and Rajan, and let his mother switch on the TV for him while he enjoyed the chocolate cake and popcorn. India won the match. When his dad and Rajan returned, they both looked very pleased. India won the match. When Raju's father and his brother Rajan returned home, they both looked very pleased. They were very happy. Dad was smiling and Rajan was singing. Dad was very happy and smiling, and Rajan was singing. Indians are the best. Indians are the best. Rajan was singing this. Indians are the best. Indians are the best. Here. Hey Raju, I bought a hat for you at the stadium. Here, Rajan said to Raju that I bought a hat for you at the stadium. No, not Rajan. His father said this. Raju's father said this. Hey Raju, I bought a hat for you at the stadium. You know, we won by 100 runs against the Australians. Did you see Sachin? Asked Raju. Of course, said Rajan. He made 200 runs and took 2 important wickets. Guess what? Near the end of the match, he fell while trying to catch a ball. Rajan said that near the end of the match, he fell while Sachin fell while trying to take a catch. Trying to catch a ball. He was trying to catch a ball and he just fell in the end of the match. I hope he is not badly hurt, said Raju. So you did not get his autograph? Raju said, I hope that he did not, he is not badly hurt. And Raju said that, so you did not get the autograph, Sachin's autograph? Then Rajan said that, no, sorry, I'll try next time. Rajan said, I'll try it next time. Then the next day, it was front page news that Sachin had injured his arm. Next day in the newspaper, it was written that Sachin had injured his arm. He was to be out of the game for the next 2 weeks. He was to be out of the game for next 2 weeks. Why? Because Sachin injured his arm. Now, 2 weeks later, Raju had to go to the hospital for checkup. After 2 weeks, Raju had to go to the hospital for checkup. His legs checkup. The doctor wanted to see his leg and put a new plaster on it. Raju sat with his mother in the waiting room. In hospital, Raju was sitting with his mother in the waiting room. Raju, your turn, please, said nurse. Nurse said to Raju that it's your turn. Raju went into little room. The doctor examined his leg and said it was healing beautifully. Then the nurse put a fresh plaster around his leg. His mother took him back to the waiting room and sat with him waiting for the bill. Raju went to a little room. Then doctor checked his leg, examined his leg, and said it was healing. Healing means it was becoming better beautifully. Then the nurse put a fresh plaster. Nurse put fresh plaster, new plaster around his leg. His mother took him back to his mother and Raju back to the waiting room and sat with him, waiting for bills. Then 2 more weeks, Raju. Then you will be playing cricket, said the nurse. Nurse said, after 2 weeks, Raju, you will play cricket. Now move to the next page. Here we are. So, you like cricket? Said a man who was sitting behind him. Raju had not noticed him. Raju had not noticed him. That man said, so you like cricket? To Raju. As Raju's leg was placed on a stool in front of him, he was not able to turn and talk directly. As Raju's leg was placed on the stool, so Raju was not able to turn back and talk to that man directly. He turned a little and said, I love cricket. It is my life. One day I want to be a great cricketer like Sachin. Raju said that I love cricket. It is my life. Cricket is my life. One day I want to be great cricketer like Sachin. The man behind him laughed and said, Man behind Raju laughed and said, you admire Sachin, do you? He asked, do you admire Sachin? Do you? Then Raju said, oh yes, he is my hero, said Raju proudly. Raju proudly said that he is my hero. Next please, said the nurse. Now nurse called next patient and said, next please. The man behind him got up and came in front of Raju. The man behind Raju got up and came in front of Raju and said, now Raju was able to see his face. Now Raju can see his face. He was able to see his face because that man stood up in front of him. He said, Sachin. He gasped. He just got surprised and can't speak. That's just he just said, he just gasped. He just gasped without voice. He said, Sachin, in very low voice, you can say. His mother and the nurse were tongue tied and did not know what to say. They were just kind of surprised, his mother and the nurse. Sachin had come to the hospital to get his injured arm checked. He can come to the hospital to get his injured arm checked. Raju turned to Sachin. Just turned to Sachin, Raju. And, will you give me your autograph? Otherwise my friends at school will not believe me when I tell them I met you. Raju turned to Sachin and said that, will you give me your autograph? Asked for autographs. Raju asked Sachin for autograph. Why he was asking for autograph? Because otherwise my friends at school will not believe me. He said to Sachin that if Sachin will not give his autograph to Raju, then Raju's friend at school will not believe him, and they will not believe him that Raju met Sachin. Of course I will, said Sachin. He wrote on Raju's plaster, to Raju from his hero. All the best, Sachin Tendulkar. Then he chatted with Raju and his mother for a while before leaving them to see the doctor. Then Sachin talked with Raju and his mother. With his mother and Raju he talked, and for a while before leaving them to see the doctor. For a while Sachin chatted with Raju and his mother. When the plaster was removed from his leg, Raju hung it up on his room. When that plaster removed from Raju's leg, Raju hung that plaster in his room. Every morning he looks at Sachin's autograph on the plaster. Whenever he get up every morning, he just looks at Sachin's autograph on the plaster and only then goes to school. This is very beautiful story, and this story was written by Savitri Pandian. Savitri Pandian, and we got a message here. Dream on, dreams come true. That we always have to dream. We have to dream something bigger, always. Because dreams come true. Dream always come true. Now move to the word meanings of this lesson. Here is the word meaning. Crowded, with too many people. Telecast, broadcast on television. Pleased, grateful. Certainly, surely. Examined, checked. Gasped, a quick deep breath. Autograph, signature of a famous person. So you have to write all the word meanings in your notebook. Now let's move to the assignment. Here is your today's assignment now. First one is read the chapter at least 3 times properly. You have to read the chapter at least 3 times properly with proper pronunciation. Second is write and learn word meanings and make sentences from those words. You have to write all the word meanings which we have written, and you have to make sentence from those words. Complete MCQ from page number 36 by yourself. You have to complete the given multiple choice question from page number 36 of this chapter by yourself. In your book, write 2 pages of your cursive handwriting book. You have to write 2 pages of your cursive handwriting book. So that's all for today's class. We will meet in our next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.